I'm attorney Christopher Nudo. I practice in the areas of estate planning, probate, and real estate. We are located in Rolling Meadows, Illinois, Elgin, Illinois, and other convenient locations. Today, we're going to spend just a couple minutes reviewing the new Secure Act 2.0, some of the highlights that came out. This by far is just a very quick overview and by no means encompassing, but it just hits some quick highlights. So on December 29th, 2022, President Biden signed the Secure Act as part of the Consolidated Appropriations Act of 2023. New legislation impacts employee retirement plans such as 401ks, 403bs, IRAs, whether they are traditional or Roth accounts. And one of the biggest pieces of retirement legislation that's been passed in decades, this is going to help small businesses by boosting tax incentives to employers for offering retirement plans and offering financial incentives to employees to sign up for some of these retirement accounts. Here are some of the highlights. The first one is required minimum distribution changes, known as RMD changes. This is by far one of the most talked about provisions. And what it does is it increases the minimum age of RMDs from 72 to 73 for those people born from 1951 to 1959. In the year 2023, a very significant thing happens where that age is increased to age 75. Next, we have reduced RMD amount. This is reduced required minimum distribution amounts. The excise tax for missing an RMD, either in part or in whole, used to be 50%, which was a tremendous penalty. And for the year 2023, they have reduced that by half. So now the penalty is only 25%. There's also an additional reduction of 10% if the past due RMD is corrected within 2 years. So they have taken the penalty down to as little as 15% if you correct it within 2 years. This is a huge improvement to the law. Third, we have matching for Roth accounts. Employers now will be able to provide vested matching contributions for Roth accounts on an after-tax basis. Again, before, employers could not contribute to an employee's Roth account. Now they will be able to do that on an after-tax basis. Next, we have requirement minimum distribution exemption for Roths. That would be RMD exemption for Roths. Roth accounts in employer retirement plans are exempt from RMD requirements beginning in 2024. Again, huge improvement to the Roth account and the ability for employers to give their employees money through their existing Roth accounts. Next, we want to talk about 401ks, 403bs, and automatic enrollment. Starting in the year 2025, employers must automatically enroll all eligible employees in a retirement plan. That is significant. Right now would be a good time to be visiting what would be an appropriate retirement plan to adopt for your business and get ready for that 2025 outcome. Next, we have higher catch-up contributions. In 2025, individuals aged 60 to 63 can make catch-up contributions up to $10,000 per year to an employer plan. So if you've been slow in putting money away in your retirement plan and you're between the ages of 60 and 63, now you have the ability to start catching up and putting away for your retirement. The current catch-up amount is $7,500 per year, going up to $10,000 in 2025. Next, we have qualified charitable distributions. This year, as part of qualified charitable distribution limits, people age 70 and a half and older may choose a one-time gift of $50,000 that can be indexed for inflation to a charitable remainder unit trust, a charitable remainder annuity trust, or a charitable gift annuity. And the distribution counts towards the RMD for such year. So if you're really trying to maximize dollars, gifting, and transfer of wealth, any one of these very advanced estate planning options can be useful for yourself, and they've made it even more advantageous. Finally, qualified birth and adoption distributions, a very narrow part of the law, but for those people who have qualified births and or have done an adoption. Previously, the Secure Act allowed for distributions from retirement plans without a 10% early tax withdrawal penalty. That was for certain births and certain qualifying adoption expenses. Distributions could be repaid to the plan at any time. However, here's the change. With the new Secure 2.0, this restricts the recontribution period to 3 years. So you'll need to pay that money back for those qualified expenses within 3 years. When we're thinking about the new Secure Act 2.0 and how it impacts retirement, now is a good time to review your retirement strategies, whether you're the employee or the employer. Get in a habit of really checking your performance and how your accounts are doing and how they're invested, so you stay on track with your savings goals. Part of that process is to review your contribution rate to your plan and make sure you're taking advantage of any matching funds that your employer might be offering. You don't want to leave free money on the table. We have really reviewed this new Secure Act and are looking to the years ahead, and we're here to help. If you have any questions regarding this video or any other topic that we've covered on our website, please feel free to give us a call. You can learn more about our firm and ourselves by visiting www.nudo.net or giving us a call at 847-737-1800. We look forward to working with you. Have a great day.